Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove background noise in your audio. Say, for example, you recorded a voiceover and there's a fan or a noise in the background that you want to remove and to not to distract the audience to what your subject speaking. So this simple way and easiest way to remove the background noise. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. We are here inside of the Adobe Premiere Pro, and currently I am on the editing workspace at the top. So to make sure that we are on the same page, click on editing workspace. All right, or you can use the audio workspace, but it depends on you. All right, but right now, since I'm just doing just one single audio here, I'm happy to use editing workspace. All right, I already have the enhanced audio sequence here, and the audio that was recorded using Premiere Pro voiceover was right here. Cool. So right now, it's already here. Okay, now to say, for example, there's like a noise or background noise in this clip. All right, that was all right. Let's try to make it a little bit larger. There you go. So say, for example, there's a noise that was captured while you're recording your video or while you're recording your audio, and you want to remove that as quick as possible. So all you have to do is to click on effects on the left side and search for denoise. Okay, denoise. Now, all right, so under audio effects, there's an obsolete audio effects. Please do not choose this because this is already obsolete. This is the outdated one. Now we have the new one or the updated one, which is the noise without the word obsolete here. This is the noise, is the effects that we want to use to remove the background noise. Okay, so all I have to do is to double click or can just drag and drop it here on our audio timeline. Release it, and there you have it. To confirm if you already added the audio, just click on effects control at the top and you will see here the denoise. All right, so if you play this one, now I'm gonna record my voice. This is testing, testing, testing. All right, I don't know if you see the difference, but for me it's cleaner. All right, it's quieter. The background noise was removed just like that. All right, so you can change the custom setup here, but for me the default preset, you can change it to heavy noise reduction, light noise reduction. You can experiment in this one. If you want to change preset, that's okay. All right, but basically if you just add it right away, normally I am happy because I also make sure when I capturing the audio using my microphone, I try to get it right for the first time. I try to get it right when recording, so that the in post production, it's we're not gonna work much effort in the post production because there's a limited that we can do in post production. All right, it's always a rule of thumb to capture the video and the audio correctly on your camera or on your microphone the first time you record it. All right, so and if you want to enhance it, you can just simply enhance it. But if there's a lot of mess and audio and noise, and sometimes audio Premiere Pro cannot try to remove that if there's a really heavy background noise. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna close this one, and right here, so I have the multiband compressor and I have the denoise effects added on this audio clip, and for me it sounds cool. And it's giving the -6 here. Right, so that's it. So what I always do with audio is I added multiband compressor to enhance the audio. It gives a little bit richer, and put denoiser to remove some background noise if there's a fan or something, noise that you want to remove in the audio. And the third one is to make sure that it's peaking on the -6, around -6, so -3, -5, and negative here is around here. It's good. All right, so because if you reach the 0 one, there's no details and it's not very good. Okay, and if this one's very quiet, that your audience will having hard time hearing what you're saying or what is on the audio. Okay, and that's how you remove background noise in Premiere Pro. All right, well, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.